Hey everyone, this is Taylor with Speech Eats. Happy early St. Patrick's Day, and I wanted to show a quick and easy breakfast you could do with your kids to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. This is a St. Patrick's Day brunch. So all I did was just roast some potatoes and put Irish sausages that I got from Costco right on the cookie sheet. And then I roasted some bacon. And then what I did was I did some beans, baked beans just in the microwave. And then I got this really great beer bread from Trader Joe's. Let me show you. Okay, here is our sausage. I got that from Costco and I roasted it under the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And then here are our potatoes. I diced it, seasoned with salt and pepper and Parmesan and a little bit of rosemary. And that was for 400 degrees on the same pan for about 45 minutes. And then here's our bacon. I like to put brown sugar and maple syrup at the very end. That was at 400 degrees. And then here are our beans. I topped that with some bacon. And then I also put mustard and brown sugar in the beans as well. And then here is our beer bread. And the mix is at Trader Joe's. They also have Irish soda bread. And that is our brunch. And here is what it looks like. Okay, here is our Irish breakfast. And I put some just Irish butter actually on our bread. Now to get your kids involved, you can have your kids season the potatoes before they go in the oven. You can have them choose which jelly they want on their bread or if they just want butter and have them spread it themselves. You can have them sprinkle the cool bacon onto the beans. And then you could also talk about Irish history, about the history of St. Patrick's Day. A lot of kids are still out of school, so this is a great way to do a history lesson around St. Patrick's Day. And then you could also just have your kids talk about one thing they learned about or one thing they're excited about the holiday of St. Patrick's. This is just a great way just to incorporate language as well as feeding. Okay, well this is Taylor with Speech Eats. Have a happy St. Patrick's Day, and I hope you try this Irish brunch. You could also make this ahead of time, like I made a bunch on Sunday, and then I did, potatoes and bacon and sausage, and then you could wrap the bread up so the kids can have breakfast all throughout the week. So this is a great way to make breakfast early and have your kids have a really hearty breakfast for the week of St. Patrick's Day. You could also do other things for breakfast, like doing a parfait with Lucky Charms. That's a good way to have your kids get involved with the holiday. I've done this with my kids at work where we dyed the yogurt green and put the Lucky Charms on top so it was a dry and a wet texture. And this is just a fun way to get the holiday going in March. Well, I will catch you guys later. This is Taylor with Speech Eats, and you can follow me on Instagram or hit that subscribe button and you can see more videos. Bye, you guys.